How to uninstall Waze safely from your device. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app and make sure you are signed in with your account. This ensures your favorite points and history are safely backed. For uninstall, open your phone settings and go to App. Scroll down until you see Waze. Tap on it. At bottom center, you will see Uninstall. Tap Uninstall, then Confirm. In your app drawer, locate the Waze app and long press the app. You will see Uninstall from the pop-up menu. Tap Uninstall and then Confirm. Hit OK. Once installed, your account data remains safe in the cloud. When you reinstall Waze later, just log in, all your favorite history and point will return automatically. And that's it. Waze is safely removed, ready for a fresh install or a break. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.